everyone, read our prayer.
Dear God, at the start of this school day, help us to learn and help us to pray, to concentrate on all we do, to understand and remember you too. Amen.
Good morning, class!
Good morning,
Sir Delmore. So how are you feeling today?
I'm good.
Wow! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 39. It's all present. So very good for you. And now, before you sit down, can you pick up the pieces of the paper and throw it in the trash can? Okay, sit down. So how are you now?
Good. Fine.
Thank you for asking.
Not feeling well, sir.
How are you feeling from the last subject that we've tackled of this class, of this section? You okay?
Yes.
Okay. So now, can we all please stand? And now, just follow my instruction or I'm gonna lead the energizer. Come on, class! Okay, class! Yeah. Space. Yeah, nice. Okay, very good. A round of applause for everyone. So last meeting, we'll tackle about the history of the aerobics. So now, what did you feel after doing the exercise or the activity?
I feel tired.
Feel tired? How about you, Joanna?
I feel
Energetic, yeah. You feel energetic now. What do you call this? Did you do this every day or no? So you will be motivated after our class discussion. So what do you think is our lesson for today?
About Zumba. It's about exercise.
What kind of exercise?
aerobic.
Aerobics. So, anong ginawa natin kanina? Dance. Dance na may kasamang aerobic. Yan. So, aerobic exercise. So, what is aerobic exercise?
Aerobic exercise.
But before forgot to have our objectives for today. Okay, everyone, please read.
Define and identify the benefits of aerobic exercise. Perform the aerobic exercise using the teacher instruction. Appreciate the importance of aerobic exercise in promoting health and fitness.
So now, what is aerobic exercise? It's a kind of exercise. It's a
It needs air.
Yeah, it's a physical activity that uses large muscle groups in your body. Again, what is aerobic exercise?
It's a physical activity that uses large muscles groups in the body.
So this type of exercise is usually rhythmic and repetitive. So hindi lang ganun class na, ay, ngayon ako mag-aerobic, tapos kinabukasan, hindi na, tapos sana naman, ganyan. So, dapat araw-araw and repetitive siya. So, you can adjust intensity. So, ano-ano yung mga intensity natin? We have light, moderate, and vigorous. So, which is how hard your body works during this type of exercise. So, aerobic exercise increase your heart rate, yung oxygen natin sa loob ng ating katawan. So, the term aerobic means with oxygen. Again, what is the term of aerobic?
With oxygen.
Okay, when you practice aerobic exercise, your breathing controls the amount of oxygen that reaches your muscles to help you burn energy and move. So what are the some examples of aerobic exercise? Okay, aerobic exercise are generally any exercise that get your body moving for a prolonged period. So, pang matagalan siya para set mo yung goals mo. So, number 1 is walking. So, jogging. Number 3,
Running.
So, hiking, yung pag-ano sa mga bundok. Okay. Bicycling, pagbibisikleta. So, swimming, pagsiswimming. Yan, so jumping rope. Yan, so dancing, yung ginawa natin kanina, stair climbing, rowing, sumangka, and playing sports. So what are the benefits of our aerobic exercise? Exercise, we have the intensity. So yun nga, yung sabi ko kanina, we have light intensity. So, walking slowly, cooking, light housework, which is yung household chores. So, sa moderate intensity, read JP.
Moderate intensity, bicycling, dancing, active yoga, recreational, swimming, gardening, vacuuming, and racking leaves.
So, sa bicycling, it depends on you on how will you drive, kung mabilis ba or mabagal. So, we have the bicycling here and we have the vigorous bicycling. Ayan, sa vigorous naman, so, nandito yung jogging, running, hiking, bicycling, swimming, laps, which is yung repetitive na and prolonged. So, the jumping rope, aerobics, weightlifting, and stair climbing. So, again, what is the 3 intensity types of the exercise?
Light intensity, moderate intensity, vigorous intensity.
Okay, very good class. So now, let's talk about the health benefits of aerobic exercise. Okay, number 1, can you read briefly?
Improve the
Can you
health,
stand?
the health benefits of aerobic exercise are: the first one is to improve your circulation and helps your body use oxygen better, increase energy.
So, ano siya, sa blood circulation natin when we are doing the exercise, it can help to sa blood circulation, it helps the body oxygen to increase our energy. So yun yan, ginawa natin kanina, yung activity, which is yung aerobic dance. So number 2, please read, Eva.
Increases endurance, which means you can work out longer without getting tired.
So nakapag ano din siya ng cardio natin, which is yung endurance, para makagawa tayo na physical activity na hindi agad napapagod. Number 3,
Helps reduce the risk of developing heart disease.
so sa may mga sakit sa puso dyan, so nakakatulong din siya para mabawasan yung sakit ng ating mga sa puso. So number 4,
help reduce the risk of developing diabetes.
at nakakatulong din siya sa mga mahilig sa sugar dyan, yung mga diabetes person. So nakakatulong din siya para mawala yung mga diabetes natin, which is yung sugar sa loob ng ating body. To help reduce body fat sa mga obese person dyan, when we are doing the aerobic exercise, so nakakatulong din siya sa pagpapayat at pag lang katawan nila to do the physical activity. So help you reach and maintain healthy weight. So kagaya natin, as an athlete, we have to maintain our physical body para ma-maintain yung ating timba. So help reduce stress, tension, anxiety, and depression. So sa aerobic exercise, this is not only physically, it's also emotionally and mentally. Improves sleep. So for example, gumagawa ka ng aerobic exercise ngayon, so syempre napapagod ka at maaga kang matutulog. So ayun, improves exercise. And now, I would like you to do this activity. I'll group you into 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. So, partner kayo ni Vicky, Joanna, and JP, and Eva. At bubunod kayo kung sino unang mag-perform. Okay, kayo unang mag-perform. So I'll give you 5 minutes to practice it. And this is the rubrics of your performance now.
Sir, I have a question. What is
Palm strike yun. Anong set? Pose, step, pose, step, pose.
Sabay ba yan, sir? Sabay kami group perform.
Hindi, isa-isa. Ten counts and 1 repetition only. Okay, is everyone ready?
Yes, we are.
Okay, group of Eva, can you perform?
Sabay ba?
Kunin yung dalawa.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10.
can you give a clap hands for our first group? Okay, next group. Group of Brittany. Okay, can you give a round of applause for everyone? How are you feeling?
Hard.
So tired? Okay, so now can you get one more sheet of paper and answer these following questions? Can you read the directions?
Answered.
Right? Only T and F. Okay, I give you 2 minutes to answer.
Then booster.
Okay, tapos na. So, can you read number 1, aerobic JB?
Aerobic exercise helps to improve cardiovascular health.
What's your answer?
True, sir.
Okay, correct. Number 2, Joanna.
Aerobic exercise include activities like running, swimming, and cycling. True.
Very good. Eva. Number 3.
Aerobic exercise primarily focuses on building muscle strength. False.
Yeah, exactly. So, number 4, Brittany.
Aerobic exercise can help control weight and reduce the risk of obesity.
Okay, very good. Thank you, everyone. So, number 5, aerobic exercise is not effective for reducing stress and improving mood. True or false?
False.
Okay, true. False. False. So, thank you, everyone. So, kindly please stand for our closing prayer. Please meet everyone.
Third,
Thank you for you have learned, experienced, and discovered today. Help us to remember it all. Please set our rest and sleep tonight so that we can really enjoy our next day together.
Amen. Father, Son, so that's all for today, class. Hope you learned something from me. So goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, sir. Thank you, Sir Delmar.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Third.
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 Third.